Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up an IoT device. To get started, click on the Device tab. If your IoT device is already linked to our system, it will be displayed as an unknown device. Simply click on the unknown device and give it a nickname. Once you select the device, you can view its summary, device information, and internet information. You can also edit or delete the device. To connect a 3D printer, make sure that the printer is powered on before you try to connect it. First, plug the USB cable into the IoT device. Then, click Refresh. An unknown 3D printer will appear. Click Add, give your 3D printer a nickname, select a 3D printer profile, and click Confirm. You can also edit your 3D printer. To connect a USB camera, plug the USB camera into the IoT device. Then, click Refresh. The USB camera will display automatically in the list and you will see that the camera is connected. Click on View to see the camera view. If you cannot find 3D printer or camera, you can view the troubleshooting page. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.